Hi friends, I am Dr. Dattatreya Balasu Thorvole, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Padma Bhushan Dr. Vasantrao Dada Patil, Mahavidyalaya Tasgaon. Today, I am going to present here how to face an interview for job. The purpose of this video is to inform about the interview for those who want to face an interview. I hope this video will be useful to all the candidates preparing for the interview. So let us see. This is the outline of this video. Friends, after watching this video, you will be able to how to prepare an interview. See here three basic parts of preparing for an interview, which is I given here for you. See here how to prepare before the interview, then what to do during the interview and after the interview. So let us start these three basic parts of preparing interview one by one. Now you can see that here which things should be prepared for an interviews. Let's see which are these things to remember for that. Be there at least 15 minutes early in place of interview. Bring a resume with you even if you have already given the company. Firm and handshake is essential. Keep a good attitude and have high energy. Maintain good eye contact. Such type of these things to remember for preparing interview. And now we will study all things in details in the next slide. See in the next. Now we are going to discuss here about the appearance. This is the most important part regarding of both, that is male or female candidate, how to prepare before the interview. First of all, I would to say that the male candidates should wear for the interview. See, a light colored long sleeved shirt is always a good idea for interview dressing. You can either go for a plain shirt or a one with micro checks. Choose a dark colored pant, probably in black, gray, or blue colors. Then I would like to say about female candidate concern. You can also opt for a simple cotton sari in solid or pastel color for a formal look. Also, you can wear formal dress, a well-fitted knee-length dress in stretch style is also a good option for female candidates. You can also see some of the pictures regarding this point I have given here for you for your better understanding. Hope you are understand this. See the next. Now we discuss here about the hairstyle and makeup. Your hairstyle should be neatly styled in a basic manner because you have gone to that place to get a job. Remember that you have no other specific purpose there. So you should do the suitable hairstyle for that. Friends, there are some more points in the same context that you can see here, and you should do those things for interview. See the next. Now we come to the most important part of the interview, that is what and how to do during the interview. See here, there are three basic parts of the interview, that is opening, middle, closing. Opening part means this is where the tone of the interview is set. That means you can say that hi, hello, good morning, how are you, etc. to each other. Then you can see that here the middle part of the interview. This is the main part of the interview where you ask the questions. Then the closing part of the interview, it leaves the interview with positive feeling about the constructive outcome of the interview. It shows appreciation and courtesy to your interview. It provides a summary statement, thank the interviewer by name, ask about the next step, say thank you, hope you understand this. Now let us discuss how your body language should be during the interview. Keep your mind, don't forget. First impression is based on your body language during interview. Remember, up to 95% of most messages are communicated non-verbally. Then look at the some things I have given here that need to done during the interview. Smile gently a bit as it shows that you are happy and interested to give interview. Say good morning, afternoon, evening as per the time of an interview. You may offer a handshake and say something like, I am pleased to meet you. Sit only when interviewer asks you to sit. Otherwise, don't sit on that chair. When they give a permission, that time you can sit there. Say thank you and then sit. That means sit up straight and lean slightly forward in your chair, as this shows you are interested for the interview. Hope you are understand this. Now let us discuss about the postures. A good postures convey a confidence with excellent. So here I can tell you what to do and what not to do about the postures during the interview. See, sit with good posture with hand folded in your lap as this indicate good manners. Avoid crossing your arms over your chest as it demonstrates a closed mind person. Be sure not to slouch or lounge. Leave arms open at your side. Don't put your hands in your pocket. You can see here some pictures which is mostly related to the postures and try to understand which is better for you further. Hope you are understand this. See the next. Let's discuss about the eye contact during the interview. Eye contact is a sign of confidence. Good eye contact conveys confidence and sincerity. Maintain eye contact with the interviewer. Avoid staring as you might make the interviewer uncomfortable. Maintaining low level of eye contact indicate that you are lying and lacking confidence. 2-3 of the time look anywhere in the eye nose triangle. 1-3 of the time you can look away. Good eye contact lets other know that you are interested in the conversation. If you maintain eye contact with your interviewer, the interview is likely to be successful. Hope this understand. Now we are going to discuss about gestures. Use open and expressive physical gestures to involve the interviewers in what you are saying. Avoid pointing or banging fist on the table to emphasize a point. Don't point with your fingers, it may be considered rude. It is not always good to shake the head to indicate yes or no. Hand gestures you should be using. Don't do okay sign. The gesture means different things in other cultures. Gestures should be very limited during the interview. Use open ones. Avoid the controversial gestures. When you do use gestures, make sure they are natural and meaningful. Then see the next. Enthusiasm. Companies are looking for candidates who are excited about working at their organization. So show them how you feel. Speak normally but with a bit higher energy to show your communication skill. Speak with confidence and don't lie. Positive body language shows you are professional, engaging, and all around enthusiastic person to be around. Body language is an aspect of interviewing that's easy to forget, but it's important to remember using the right body language can help you seem more confident and give weight to your answer during the interview. See the next, and this is the last part of our video. What to do after interview? Take a deep breath and relax. Immediately say thank you to interviewer and offer a firm handshake and say nice meeting with you. You can send formal and professional thank you letter to your interviewer. Sending thank you letters is courtesy and will help to make you stand out in the minds of the interviewers. Be prepared to attend 2 or 3 interviews at the same company. If you are called back you another interview, it means that they are interested in you. So keep up the good work. Finally, I hope you have a better understand about how to proper prepare for an interview. If you like my video, you can like and share my video. Thank you.